Namaskar, good morning, and a very, very warm welcome to Oracle CloudWorld Mumbai.
I'm looking to learn about Oracle's new innovation strategies in AI, generative AI, and what are the future roadmaps that Oracle has for its product stack.
This is a fantastic event. It's the content, the deep insights, and the knowledge I gained about Oracle's products and services and solutions.
This exhibition is really wonderful. We have gathered a lot of information related to ERP, SCM, and database AI platform.
It's very good for networking with your peers and also the experiences shared by the customers. So that is amazing.
Come to the Oracle event wherever they are in the world to understand better how to adopt to the future technologies. This is the best place to be and learn everything you need to.